take a look at I to the 15th. Whenever you have I to a power and you're doing it by hand, what you can do is you can divide by 4. It's always dividing by 4. This is old style division. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract those and we get 3. Now 4 doesn't go into 3, so this would be our remainder. Now we're going to rewrite this as I to the remainder when we're dividing by 4. So it's whatever number's right here. So it's I to the third. Well, if you remember your powers of I to the first is I squared is -1, I to the third is -I, and I to the fourth is equal to a +1. Well, I to the third is equal to -I, so -I would be our answer. Now we can try to plug this into our calculator, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. This power is small enough it might be okay, but let's see. Either way you can get the answer. It just doesn't work slick as we'd like. To do I to the 15th, I'll do second decimal for the I, and then caret, and then 15, and then press enter. And that gives us 5e -13 minus I. Now what that e -13 means, that's scientific notation. This means 5 times 10 to the -13 power, then the minus I. Well, this means we move our decimal place, which if we were to put it there, it's after the 5. We move it 13 places to the left. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, minus I. And if I think about this rounding, this just rounds to 0. So that's 0 minus I, or -I. And the basic rule on it is, when you're dealing with imaginary numbers, any part that has an E on it, you can just drop that. So we could just drop that right away, and our answer would be the -I.